I just had to let you know you're.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Marlene Gregorio from BSA Aquaculture. So, today I will discuss about eyeglasses, microscope, and telescope. So, good day, everyone. Have you ever wondered how eyeglasses, microscope, and telescope help us to see better? These three important optical instruments based on the science of optics with study of behavior of light. The first one, we will discuss the eyeglasses. Eyeglasses help us see clearly by correcting how light enter the eyes. Today, we will discuss how eyeglasses work. So in eyeglasses, we have two different lenses. We have concave and convex. So we will discuss what is the difference between these two. So the difference between convex and concave is the convex make the object bigger and the concave make the object smaller. Let's proceed to microscope. So today we will discuss how microscope work. You have an idea what is microscope? So today we will discuss it. So how microscope work? So we all know that microscope help us to see the tiny object cause our naked eyes cannot see the tiny objects. So we have an microscope. So how microscope work? So we all know that microscope help us to see the tiny object. So like cells and organism. With our naked eye, we cannot see the small object or tiny. So we have a microscope. So with microscope, we see and we explore the cells and microorganism. So a while ago, we discussed the two different lenses, the convex and concave. So the convex make the object bigger. So the concave make the object smaller. So in these two, where the microscope belong? Write it down. Yes, you're correct because the microscope use lenses are convex. So how the image look bigger in your eyes piece? So the microscope is magnify. So what is magnify? Magnify means the image look bigger than the actual. So today, let's proceed to telescope. You have an idea what is telescope? So telescope help us to see far. So we can see the galaxies and star or planet. So we have here reflector and refractor. So what is the difference between these two? Refractor uses lenses and refractor uses mirror. So today we will discuss the difference between these two. Let's discuss these two and how it works. So the refractor good for clear image but hard to make the large the object. So the refractor good for very big and powerful. So the refractor is the best for using distance object in space. So the telescope prefer the refractor.